Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about Pemphigus vulgaris. It is a rare autoimmune disorder that causes blistering on the skin and mucous membrane, and sometimes the blistering can be painful as well. So what is mainly pemphigus? It is a group of skin disease which causes blisters or bullae. This is the meaning of pemphigus. There is not only vulgaris, there are many other forms of pemphigus as well as, but vulgaris is the most common type. It is the most common type of pemphigus. The properties are: the defect is present in the desmoglobin 1 and 3. The site of separation is stratum spinosum. Bullae is present deeply and easily rupture is not there. We cannot find easy rupture of the bullae. And it is associated with HLA-DR04 and HLA-DR06. This we need to remember. The mechanism, how does it arise? The type 2 hypersensitivity reaction. There is presence of type 2 hypersensitivity reaction, due to which the B cells create Ig antibodies. Ig antibodies. And that binds to the desmoglobin 1 and 3. For those who don't know what is desmoglobin, desmoglobin is a protein which is present in the stratum spinosum. This is triggered by, then this is triggered by mainly herpes virus infection and or captopril or certain antibiotics. Then there can be two types, epidermis and mucosa. Supposingly the IgG antibodies, it bind to the desmoglobin 1 and 3, both of them, then there is a mucocutaneous, that is mucosal as well as skin pemphigus vulgaris, affects both skin and mucosa. But when in the mucosa type, the IgG antibodies, it binds to only desmoglobin 3. There is only mucosal pemphigus vulgaris that affects only the mucosa. This is the difference when it binds, when the antibodies binds to both desmoglobin 1 and 3 or only desmoglobin 3. Then what happens is it triggers apoptosis, then protease get released, breakdown of the protein that make up the desmosomes. Desmosomes are the connecting junctions between two keratinocytes in the stratum spinosum. Then acantholysis. Acantholysis is the process of cells, they let one cell go one another, like process of letting one go each other. And then after acantholysis, there is formation of bullae or the blisters finally. Then how can we diagnose this? Diagnosis is mainly done by Nikolsky sign. Nikolsky sign will be positive here. What do we do in Nikolsky sign? We apply a lateral pressure to the skin where the blisters or the bullae are present. Then we can find there will be split of the layers of the epidermis. The splitting, if we see, then it is positive Nikolsky sign, which will be positive in pemphigus vulgaris. After this, we can go for skin biopsy to look for acantholysis and tombstone appearance. Why is it called tombstone appearance? Because histologically the appearance will look like a tombstone. Therefore, it is known as tombstone appearance as well. Then we can do the direct immunofluorescence. Then about the treatment. Treatment is first immunosuppressive, like the steroids or the cyclophosphamide. These are given firstly. Then next can be given rituximab. In this what happens is monoclonal antibody, it binds to the B cells, inhibits the production of the anti-desmoglobin and IgG antibodies. It inhibits the production. Therefore, this can also be given. The last treatment can be plasmapheresis. But the main first treatment is immunosuppressive. Mostly we give only immunosuppressive, and rituximab and plasmapheresis, it is only given in severe cases. Only in severe cases. The primary treatment will be immunosuppressive. So this was all about the pemphigus vulgaris, the mechanism, properties, the diagnosis and the treatment. Thank you.